I am making this video for anyone currently at the Nigerian Law School who feels so overwhelmed about the workload at the Nigerian Law School. This video is to encourage you that if I can do it and many other people out there can do it to be called to the Nigerian bar with that much workload, you can do it. So please ignore the stories of failure, ignore the stories of people running mad at the Nigerian Law School. Give it your best. The best thing you can do right now, as you have just resumed, is for you to start picking up those books and studying, preparing ahead of the time. It is not like the university whereby we can just pick up a book and just cover it up in a couple of days. Start preparing from this time, and please take your health serious. I have a video on my YouTube channel of how I broke down during the corporate law exam. Okay, so rest when you can, study, eat the right meal, and just prepare ahead. Ignore those stories. You can do it, and you have got this.